So we're birthday weekend, eating out. Dawson picked.
Happy birthday, Dawson.
So Dawson's choice was Olive Garden,
Amazing.
and we're gonna stay keto. So what was your choice?
I went with chicken margarita with Parmesan crusted zucchini. What'd you get?
I got the butter herb salmon something
Something with Parmesan crusted zucchini.
with Parmesan crusted zucchini, and actually Dawson actually did really good with his meal as well.
I want to have
Because of crushed breadsticks. Versus evil. With Parmesan dipping sauce.
So it's truly possible to keep eating a ketogenic diet. Oh, in the beer,
3.2 carbs. I looked it up.
we looked it up, and I'm having a Michelob Ultra, and we already know that is on your preferred beer list. So happy eating, everyone.
yeah.